Once upon a time, the entire world spoke a single language, and humanity shared a common understanding. In their unity, people traveled to a vast plain in the land of Shinar, where they decided to settle. Fueled by ambition and a desire for fame, they said to one another, "Let us build ourselves a city and a tower with its top in the heavens. Let us make a name for ourselves, lest we be dispersed over the face of the whole earth." And so they began the great undertaking of building the Tower of Babel. Using bricks for stone and bitumen for mortar, they worked with unparalleled cooperation. The tower rose higher and higher, a testament to human ingenuity and collective effort. Day by day, the tower's shadow grew longer, and the people's pride swelled larger. However, their ambition caught the attention of God, who came down to see the city and the tower that the children of man had built. Seeing what they were capable of when united in purpose, God said, "Behold, they are one people and they have all one language, and this is only the beginning of what they will do. And nothing that they propose to do will now be impossible for them." To prevent them from losing sight of their need for the divine and to check their burgeoning pride, God decided to confuse their language so they would not understand one another's speech. Suddenly, where there had been cooperation and understanding, there was now confusion and frustration. The builders could no longer communicate, their words sounding like unintelligible babble to one another. The construction of the tower came to an abrupt halt. Unable to continue their project or live together in harmony, the people were scattered across the face of the earth. They formed separate groups, each speaking a different language, giving rise to the diverse cultures and languages that enrich our world today. The unfinished Tower of Babel remained, a powerful reminder of the limits of human pride and ambition. It stood as a lesson that while human unity and cooperation can achieve great things, they must be balanced with humility and reverence for the divine. For in the pursuit of greatness, one must never lose sight of what truly matters.